Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best kitchen knife sets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, our overall best pick is HENCKELS International Statement Kitchen Knife Set. The 15-piece knife block set features all the tools you need to start your kitchen out right. This block set includes the all-rounder 8-inch chef's knife, which is perfect for chopping herbs and dicing onions, and 5-inch serrated utility knife, ideal for cutting soft interior, hard exterior foods. Efficiently mince garlic with the hollow edge Santoku, featuring a blade that has small indentations, known as gruntons, that prevent food from sticking while cutting. Fabricated from durable, high-quality stainless steel, Statement's single-piece, stamped blade construction is lighter than forged knives. Along with the full tang, this encourages maximum maneuverability. The traditional triple rivet handles are curved for comfort and balance, while the stainless steel end cap adds aesthetic appeal. Knives fabricated from high-quality stainless steel. Professional, satin-finished blade boasts precision cutting and is finely honed for long-lasting sharpness. Lightweight, full tang design yields maximum maneuverability. Traditional triple rivet handle with stainless steel end cap offers balance. Sleek, black matte handle. Enjoy fatigue-free cutting with these ultra-sharp knives. Dishwasher safe. Number 2, our second best pick is Chicago Cutlery Fusion 17-piece knife block set. The Chicago Cutlery Fusion Series 17-piece knife block set. The padded, non-slip grip of our black poly-handled knives makes meal prep more comfortable. Carefully fitted with high-carbon, stainless steel blades, they're beautifully balanced and shaped for a multitude of kitchen duties. Store in our wood block. The market-leading knife brand, Asian-influenced, cushion grip handles provide a sturdy, non-slip grip. High-carbon stainless steel creates stronger, harder blades to resist stains, rust and pitting. Signature 26-degree taper grind edge for optimum sharpness, precise cutting and easy sharpening. Forged design for increased weight and balance. Chop Assist tool provides guidance and stability to the knife while chopping. Chestnut stain wood block keeps knives secure. Hand wash and dry immediately to keep in best condition. High carbon stainless steel. The blades in Fusion knives are made from stainless steel with a high carbon content, which produces a stronger, harder blade that resists stains, rust and corrosion. A signature feature, the cutting edge in Fusion knives is taper ground to an exact 26 degrees, for a knife that starts sharp and stays sharp over time. Cushion grip handle, made from a combination of stainless steel and black polymer, the handle on Fusion knives provides a contoured, cushion grip that's highly comfortable and delivers optimal control. Number 3, our third best pick is Calphalon 12-piece knife set. Knives stay sharp for a lifetime with Calphalon classic self-sharpening cutlery featuring sharpen technology. Sharpeners are built right into the block, automatically sharpening straight-edge knives every time you remove them from the block to ensure peak sharpness at the start of every cutting task. Knives are made from high-carbon, no-stain forged steel and feature full tang construction and a comfortably balanced, triple-riveted handle. In addition, knife handles are labeled so you can always pull the correct knife out of the block. The Calphalon Classic Self-Sharpening 12-piece cutlery knife set includes an expanded selection of essential chef knives for dicing, chopping and more, plus 6 steak knives for family meals and more. Cutlery knife block set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 6-inch serrated utility knife, 5-inch Santoku, 5-inch parer, 6 steak knives, kitchen shears and sharpening knife block. Built-in ceramic sharpeners automatically sharpen straight-edge knives with every use. Constructed from forged, high-carbon, no-stain steel, Full tang design for strength and balance. Triple riveted handles are contoured for a secure grip and labeled for easy identification in the block. Kitchen knives covered by a full lifetime warranty. Made in the USA. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Mercer Culinary Genesis Forged Knife Block Set. Be a master chef at home with the Mercer Cutlery Genesis 6-piece Forged Glass Knife Block Set. Thanks to the rubber handle, you get comfort and grip while using the knives. Its non-porous properties make it hygienic. The tempered glass block of this Genesis 6-piece forged glass knife block set from Mercer Cutlery makes it easy to view the knives and adds to its durability. The stainless steel construction ensures that you make precise and accurate cuts in one go. These knives are resistant to nick, warp, stain, and rust. This set can be used in commercial kitchens as well. You can hand wash the knives with warm water and a mild detergent. It's a good set, no doubt. I have had these knives for about 3 months now, so I have enough experience with them to make a claim. They cut wonderfully, from very large infirm vegetables to steak to cheese. I probably just use the chef's knife for 80% of the overall kitchen use. What's included? Knife storage included, boning knife, bread knife, chef knife, paring knife, kitchen utility knife. Features: block set, NSF certified, Genesis collection. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Cuisinart knife set with blade. Cuisinart Advantage professional quality stainless steel knives have a cutting edge, non-stick coating that makes slicing easier and allows coding during food prep to avoid cross-contamination. In style-conscious hues for today's design-smart consumer, these premium knives come with matching blade guards and ergonomic handles. Color coding reduces the risk of cross-contamination during food preparation. The Cuisinart Advantage 12-piece ceramic-coated color knife set with blade guards boasts professional quality stainless steel cutting edges with a ceramic non-stick coating that makes slicing even easier and the blades stay sharp longer. The non-stick coating is conveniently colored, allowing you to easily color code during food prep to avoid cross-contamination. The stylish knives come with matching blade guards to keep your family safe. Savor the good life. Cuisinart's mission as a brand is to develop and market innovative, high-end kitchen products that enable consumers to quickly and easily provide their family with home-cooked foods, from a cup of coffee to an extravagant holiday meal. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.